Greetings, party people. I'm Kevin at KSW, and I'm excited to show you groups.io, which is the lovely website that a lot of our testing teams use to help VEs find amazing sessions to be a part of, as well as to manage what we call RSVPs. So this is the main GLAARG VEC group. After you get accredited, we'll send you a link to join this group if it's applicable to the type of sessions or the team that you plan on joining. Under subscription here, I'm already subscribed, but if you're not, you'll see a button that says apply for membership to this group, and then you can click on that. The powers that be usually will approve that pretty quickly, within a couple of days at the most. And then you can go to subscription. You can change how many emails you want to get per day, and then you can go to your group profile, still under subscription, click edit, and then you can upload a profile photo if you want to, but most importantly, you'll want to change your display name to include your first name, your GLAARG VE number, and your call sign, which is the standard format that us GLAARG VEs use to identify ourselves to the public. Then you can click update group profile and go up here, and we'll go to subgroups. You can see here that we're now a part of the main GLAARG VEC group, and then under that are several what are called subgroups that are used, or that belong to each of the individual testing teams that are on groups.io. So at the top, you'll see all the subgroups you belong to, which if you join for the first time will be none. But then if you go down, you'll see subgroups you can join, and then you can find any of the testing teams that you are interested in, and you'll be able to click on them, and then click join this group. If it says join this group, he'll automatically be a part of the group after you click the button. But if you, but on some other groups, if you click apply for membership in this group, you'll wait for the owner to press a magic button to let you past the gates into the group. So after you're part of any particular group, you'll be able to click on them after you've joined the subgroup, and then you can manage your subscription specifically for that group, or change your name for that group if you want. But then you can go to calendar, and this is where the session manager for that group will be posting the sessions. So this is the calendar for the subgroup for my team. This is the calendar for my team's subgroup. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I can see the sessions here, and then I can click on them and see kind of a description. And most teams will put the Zoom description, or the Zoom information, in this description. And then under that, here's where you can RSVP for the session, which basically is just saying, hey, I will be there at the session. In this little box here, if you have any information, like if you're gonna arrive late, or if you have to leave early, or if you want to do a specific task at the session, or anything else you want the session manager to know, if you want to work with someone in particular, you can put it in that box, and then you can click will attend if you're gonna make it to that session. I already clicked it. I already RSVP'd. Yes, I do RSVP for my own sessions, but I'll click it again, and at the top it says your RSVP is saved, and usually it'll send you an email confirming that you RSVP'd. If you're not sure if you can make it, some teams will let you click not sure if you, if you're not sure, like if you have another event that may or may not happen, and you want to come but you're not 100% sure, you can click that. But usually you'll click will attend if you can make it. So now let's go back to the main. We're going to click on this groups.io logo, which takes us back to the main page, and you can look at your calendar. And under your calendar, you'll see all of the calendar events for all the groups that you're a part of. I'm only a part of the GLAARG groups.io, and several subgroups within that. So everything on my calendar is different remote sessions that I might RSVP to. But this is how you'll see pretty much all the sessions for all the teams that you are a part of. Cool. So you'll be able to click on any of them and RSVP just like I showed you before. What you can also do is add this calendar to your personal calendar. For example, I use Apple Calendar to organize my daily shenanigans. And I have added this calendar to my Apple Calendar so I can get notifications on my on my computer and my phone by clicking, and you can do that by clicking subscribe to calendar, and then you can copy this link here and paste it, and paste it into the calendar app or whatever other calendar you use. You cannot RSVP from the calendar app or anything. You'd have to go to the website to do that, but I think it's helpful to see all these sessions on my personal calendar as well, so I don't forget about any of them. Awesome. Well, that was groups.io. Let us know if you have any questions, and don't forget to have fun.